figure out how I got this look. Are you somebody who's not a makeup guru, just a normal person living a regular schmegular life and a little bit poor? Keep watching for you to get this look: simple, pretty, gorgeous, and cheap. Who doesn't like all that? Who doesn't like all that? Let's get right to it. What's up, guys? It's been a while, and if you know me, you know I usually have long hair, but I decided to cut it, so that's a quick little update. We're just gonna be doing a girly chit chat, just playing around with makeup and just being a girl. I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl. Just a girl. Oh. Okay, which one am I liking? This one or oh? I'm liking this one. Yeah.
You're pretty.
Wait, we're going with this one. This skin prep is the best thing you could do for your skin. Going in with my makeup, I love going in with this toner. I got it on Amazon. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. Look at the glow. Thank you very much. I keep looking over here is because my mirror's right here, and I need to see my mirror. Okay, I need to see. Guys, I've been doing everything on my own lashes, my own eyebrows, my own everything, because shorty's broke, and when you're broke, to be honest, you gotta figure it out. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Let me know if you want a video on that, because I'll provide. I will provide anything you want. Anything you want. We're first going in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. Let me tell you something. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not a makeup artist, nor do I say I am, nor do I pretend to be. But I've been getting into makeup lately. Like, really getting into makeup. Like, practicing, actually, not just doing natural looks, even though all my looks come out natural, and I don't even know why. Like, I really don't know why all my looks come out natural. That's just how things are. Like, they all come out natural for some reason. But I also know it's because I don't wear enough foundation. But I feel like for my face, foundation just looks weird. Like, I really want to be those baddies with the full glam, but it just doesn't fit my face. I look like a clown, or maybe I'm just doing the makeup wrong, but it just really just doesn't come together for me. It doesn't come together. But I do love this. I love this because it gives me a glow. Anyways, your girl has been getting into eyeshadow lately. I'm not too good, so not too much on me. Not too much, okay? But I am using the Morphe palette, and I got this not on Morphe, trust me. I did not spend all that money. I think my friend gave this to me. I either got this at Marshall's or my friend gave it. I use the concealers that like I didn't like for my under eye on my eyelids, because I'm not about to waste money throwing concealers I don't like away when they work perfectly well for everything else, like covering up some blemishes or things like that. Really giving 2020 when lockdown started to happen, and all I would watch is YouTube videos on YouTube videos on YouTube videos on YouTube videos. It's so crazy to think that like I'm not the one watching the video, rather somebody's watching me, and it's just literally crazy. Even if I only get like 10 viewers, the fact that like 10 people clicked on my video is crazy, because if you think about it, 10 people in a room listening to you and actually interested in what you have to say and the blabberish things that you want to talk about, that's a lot of people. So you see, now we have a more even base. And the next thing I'm gonna go with is with some pressed powder. I love the Maybelline Fit Me. One thing about me is I'm gonna use drugstores. Tap it and then just pat it in. This just helps whatever I use blend better. It really does not have to be perfect, because you're gonna put eyeshadow on top. So no need. I mess up all the time, and I just pretend like I meant to do it. So just pretend like you meant to do it, and everything will be okay. Yeah. We're gonna go in with a brown here and here, the darkest brown that you can find. I do this kind of opposite from like what other makeup gurus tell you to do, but this is what works for me. And yeah, so I'm gonna go in with the dark brown and just put it in the corner. We're gonna make a line like this. It looks horrible right now. Just press. Thank you. I'm gonna put it in the corner. Put it in the corner. I like my eyes to go shh, you know, facelift. So we're gonna put it in the corner, and then you're gonna blend inwards, so in as much as you can. And the goal is to just blend it literally inwards like this, so you start to get like this wide triangle. It's kind of like a cut crease, creating a cut crease. I think that's the language. Look at me. Makeup guru who? Jeffree Star, watch out, I'm coming for you. No, I'm not. I'm so sorry. Did not mean that. I heard, bro, I have ADHD, so I cannot do like one eye and the other. I'm gonna lose interest and I'm gonna leave my makeup halfway done. So I just go back and forth between the two because there's no way. There's no way that I'm gonna do one whole eye, be so proud of that eye, and then look at the other one and be like, shit, I have to do that one too? Yeah, no. No way. No way, Jose. Now, when you think it's blended enough, it does not have to be perfect. You're gonna go with the same brush. Take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. Going with a lighter brown. First I went in with this one. Now I'm gonna go in with this one. And you're gonna put it in the same spot pretty much, but just a little bit higher. So you see how the line is here? I'm gonna put it right here. Exactly. And we're gonna create a harsher line in a way. This just allows me to take it one step at a time and actually allow the colors to blend well, because if not, it's just gonna look like chunks. It's literally just gonna look like chunks, and we're not trying to have that. Okay, now that you've blended almost everything, now you can bring it all the way down. It's gonna just be the leftover product on your brush. After, with the same brush, you're gonna go in with an even lighter brown with this one right here. We're gonna put it, you see how like this is a triangle and like with space in the middle? You're gonna put it right in the middle, like this. You see? Like this. And then you're just gonna blend towards your inner corner. That's what it's looking like. This is gonna be sharper because of the concealer, but you'll see. You'll see. Lastly, what you're gonna go in is with a very light color, like almost, to be honest, like the pressed powder. And that is gonna go right in the front, and you're gonna blend it towards the middle. So it just brightens up. I have this palette that I got at Walmart. Is this, it's Smoky Profusion Cosmetics, and there's this color named Twinkle. I go with the small brush, take some setting spray, spray it under, tap it on the eyeshadow because it just picks up more product, and then we're gonna tap on the eye. And you know that same brush that we've been using to do everything? You're gonna go and right under the bone, you're just gonna blend it in because the glitter can get outside of where you want it to be. So you're gonna blend the bone, kind of making your cut crease again. So you see right now it looks like a, and we're gonna clean this up. You see how it's not a straight line? This looks trash, but it's okay because it's gonna look good in a second. That's what we're working with right now. We're now gonna be working on under eyes, which I use the LA Pro Concealer, the pink like color corrector, and then the yellowish color corrector, and that's because I have blue purplish color under my eyes. So I go in with some pink right under the eyes, and then I go in with some yellow because it brightens the eyes. Our Milani setting spray, and go ahead and give ourselves our first spray. This is kind of a little bit runny, so I just wait until it dries a little bit so I can really blend it where I want it to be rather than it going everywhere. Color corrector, you want it where you want to put it, you know? Now that I have dried a little bit, I'm gonna go in with a brush. I usually put concealer on my fingers, but like I said, you want to put this exactly where you want it. So I'm gonna go in with a tiny brush and just start tapping it in rather than dragging it. Okay, now that it's giving pink under eye because it's pink, okay? We're gonna go in with the fingers right where, when we have it where we want it, and just blend. Alrighty, so we're gonna let that sit while we go ahead and do contour. Just tap it because it's kind of dark, and then I always go above where you think. So before I used to do it here, and I have a long face, so it would just drag my face down. I'm gonna do it right under the cheekbone, so kind of where you think blush goes. I'm gonna put it here, and with this one we're blending it not up but diagonal, like choo choo. Now concealer. I've been loving the NYX Bear With Me. I know this is a concealer serum, but I've really been liking it. I really like it. The only thing with this is that it's very, very wet. This is for sure one that you have to wait a couple seconds, because if not, it's just gonna get everywhere. Up, up, like this, like this. I'ma wait, okay? I'ma wait. And then we're gonna go in with a small brush and use the Makeup Revolution, the same one but the powder version, and just do a little bit of contouring on my nose. To be honest, I really don't know how to contour my nose, so I don't know why I be doing this, but I do a little bit just so I can pretend like I did a whole makeup routine, you know, and then I bring it up here. Okay, perfect. Now that that's done, we're gonna go with our fingers and start tapping this concealer. And then we're gonna go with the sponge to just get all the extra product onto the sponge. I'm gonna go with the Selfie Ready Joha banana powder. I love this powder. Let me tell you something. I love this powder. I tap it on my hand to distribute the product evenly, and we're gonna focus on one eye first. So we're gonna go blend one more time, and I'm gonna look up. Only keep it really up here, and I just press it in until it blends, like with the sponge. All done. I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Putty Blush. I'm not sponsored, I promise. I go in and I warm it up with my fingers because it's a little hard to get, I'm not gonna lie. I put it up here and I blend with my fingers. Perfect. Blush is on. I have a blush brush. Okay, nothing on it. I'm gonna go and take off the excess powder from under my eyes. And I do this because any blush that's left on the brush from last time will kind of help the blush blend with my concealer. I'm gonna go ahead, do one more spray because we're going on to powders. On the same contour, but we're just gonna be doing it in a powder form. Going with a big brush, tap it once, and then we're just gonna go over it. And as you remember, I don't do contour on my chin with the liquid one just because I don't like it. So I go in with the powder one and I do it with the powder one. We leave blush for last because blush is the best part. We're gonna go back to the eyes and fix this up, okay? We're gonna go in with the brush and start again, just do a pat just so you can see how everything looks blended. So you see right here, we see that we need a little bit more here. Now we're gonna check here. It gives you just a softer look now that the eyeshadow has been able to sit. To be honest, all I wanna fix right now is just add more glitter, and I feel like this is good. It's looking good, is it not? We're gonna be doing the same thing with the glitter. One more time. We're bringing out the eyeliner. It's only a little bit, don't panic. Don't panic today. I need my mirror closer for this one, guys. I'll make a tutorial on this when I'm better at it, just because I'm not so good at it. So I'm nervous. I'm as nervous as you. It's a little bit shaky, but once you do your mascara under your eyes, it'll look good. We're gonna go in with some blush. I used the Wet n Wild. I've really been liking this one. It's really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this because yeah. Okay, I did the best I could. With the same brush that I use for my eyes, I'm gonna go in and give myself a little bit of a nose highlight. I usually laminate my eyebrows with this, but I can't find it. Last but not least, some lips. This lip pencil is from the beauty supplies, to be honest. And then I go in with this one in the corner. So you see you have the outside. Then a little bit of concealer, just a little tip. Go back in with the one that you lined your lips with and with some gloss. Okay, and this is sticky gloss. We're gonna go in with some regular Dalgala beauty supply lip gloss that sits on top of the lips so it glows. Let's take this off to get the full-blown look. Period. Thank you so much for watching and staying all the way through the video. Thank you very much. And I hope you stay tuned, subscribe, like, please. So I can keep seeing your beautiful face. So you can keep seeing my beautiful face. Tune into my lives so we can interact, talk, comment. I respond to all the comments. Because why wouldn't I? Like, why would I not? You got me? I hope everybody has a great day and I'll see you next time.